Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Fourth Element Navigator Mask. So this is more of a scuba diver's mask compared to the Aquanaut. Slightly larger volume, larger frames in here to give you plenty of view of the underwater world. Two different lens options on this one. You get Clarity, which is the one that I have here. Clarity has fewer impurities in the glass. It's had all of them stripped out, so that allows for greater light transmission through. These are a good all-rounder. And then you have Enhance. So Enhance filters out a lot of the higher ends, the blues and the UV light as well to help protect your eyes, but also in bluer waters it helps to basically make things stand out a bit better if you're diving in bluer waters. Now this is a framed design, so you have this solid frame that's holding all of the parts together and this traditional modified teardrop lens with the point down at the bottom so you can check your gauges that much easier. Easy access to the nose pocket as well, so even if you're wearing gloves you're not going to struggle to find that to equalize. The buckles themselves, as much as they're attached onto the frame, they're attached by a small section of silicone. Instead of a hinged articulated mechanism, that soft silicone just allows for that perfect bend and flex, but also again to allow it to bend and to fold flat if you need to stow it away in a pocket somewhere. Micro adjustment on that strap, so if you pull on the tab you have lots of little teeth on this instead of big chunky teeth, so you can get that perfect length on the strap. And then to lengthen it off, you pinch on it, so you've got a button at the top and the bottom, hold those down, pull those tight, and then can lengthen off that strap. The strap itself, pretty traditional. You have those two straps along the back that help to cradle the back of your head and hold the mask in place. And then on the inside of the mask, again, quite traditional, you have that second internal skirt that's helping to seal and create a very wide seal all the way around your face. Instead of one point of contact, just making sort of contact with your face, it's a wide section, creating a very wide seal to trap the air on the side and stop the water from getting in. Otherwise, very nice build quality. Little details like sort of fins down here, something to grab hold of when you're equalizing your mask or clearing it. And the overall finish of the mask is nice and clean. They've done a very good job with this. And yeah, it's a good looking traditional mask. And yeah, you get those two different lens options to pick and choose from depending on where you're diving. Now, there's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. Just click on the link down in the description below so you can check it out and buy it from us at Simply Scuba. Thank you for watching everybody, and of course, safe diving.